Okay, so let's see the solution. So what will be the solution? Let me first type film ID, title, description, name, category ID. Now why did I put name and not just category name? Because if we see here in our column, category has the column name, only just simple name. So from film, join film category on, I will need to specify the condition. So film ID is equal with film category film ID. Then I need to join the other table, join category on film category ID is equal with category film category ID, where name is equal with comedy. And I will probably get an ambiguous, so let me type here and also here, and let's see if it works. As you can see, it works. So what did I do? I basically joined the first table, film, with the film category, so my join table, and then I joined this table with my category table. And this is, if you think about it, a very real case scenario. You want to have all the title of the movies which belong to a specific category, and so you have used joins. If you did this, congratulations. If you didn't do this, don't sweat it. You will do it in time. But for now, it's good if you practiced.